Next, we're going to move on to the lap. Sometimes you need to look out for this. When you install drip edge, it should be a minimum 2-inch lap. Sometimes you need to take into account which way you're going to lap this drip edge. If the driveway is behind me and the dead end, the end of the driveway is over there, usually you want to lap your drip edge away from the driveway. That way you don't see the laps. This is especially important with snap lock or screw down because the drip edge itself is more prominent. You can see it. With shingle drip edge, it's less prominent, so I'm not too worried about it. So this piece right here is about 2 foot. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to lap this 2 inches. I'm going to come down here and make a small mark on where it stops. I'll go ahead and square this off, and I'm going to cut it to size. Now the same thing again, make sure you have your 2-inch lap. Take your finger, put it on the edge down here as a stopper. Make sure you have that good and tight down here, a nice lap. Go ahead and place a fastener in it. And you could come down here, straighten out this piece. Make sure it's not buckled, make sure it's laying flush to the roof deck. Do the same thing again. Now, like I said, we're going to nail this every 8 to 10 inches. I'm going to go ahead and do 2 more just because it looks like it's a little bigger than 8 to 10.